Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got a little prepper pantry video here for you with some of the stuff I'm adding to stocking up and keeping things going. So I went to several places today. First stop was at Walmart. I got 2 of these just because I need to have some extras. I have the one Mr. Heater Buddy hooked up to a 30-pound tank. The other one's in the master bathroom, and I can't fit a 20 or 30 pound tank in there, so I use these, and I really don't use it that much. So the 4 here I got plus the extra spare one in there should last me just about through the winter season here. Right, something else I got at Walmart, I got a couple more of these Corral bowls, soup bowls here, because I've been eating more soup, eating healthier, so I got a couple of these. Then I went to Winco, and I got 2 bottles of the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, because I'm using this as part of my diet that I'm doing over on the Camp Pat and Family Compound weight loss challenge, where I take 2 tablespoons of this, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then 4 ounces of the cranberry juice before every meal. So I got 3 of these, and so that should last me couple months. I picked up something else. I picked up a couple Hebrew 3 packs. There's 3 packs in here for the Hebrew Nationals. So I got basically 6 packs here of Hebrew National hot dogs. Then I got a couple packages of the Members Mark cheese sticks. Mainly because the grandkids come over here, and that's one of the first things they ask for, and it's better for them to eat cheese than it is candy. So that's just some of the things I picked up here today when I was out and about. And so every time you go out, always add a little bit to your prepper pantry. Alright? Before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here that you might be interested in. I'm going to put a playlist of my indoor garden here. I'm going to put another video over here you might find interesting as well, and I'll put the link to Camp Pat and Family Compound up here. Alright, see you around.